tablespoon of yeast and some water. And we're gonna put a little bit of sugar this time because we're using M&Ms. Just 1 tablespoon of sugar should do it. Put our eggs. A little whisk. 1 teaspoon of salt. 1/3 cup of oil. M&Ms. 2 cups first of flour. 1/3 cup going in. 1/4 cup of flour. Cut your dough into 4 pieces. We're going to roll out our dough, and if you'd like to know how to do it, I have a YouTube video called Braiding Challah, color coded, and it will show you in slow motion how to braid a 4-strand challah. I had this rise for about 2 hours. I had some scraps left, and we don't waste anything in this house. The baby M&M Purichallah. He's so tiny. I'll show you against the measuring spoon. That's how tiny it is. Isn't that cute? It's a little baby Purichallah. Comes out dark because of the sugar from the M&Ms that are inside, and of course the chocolate. So what you have here are M&Ms that was in the mix, and then in each part of the 4 strands also folded in was M&M, and then on top before baking. So you have 3 places where the M&Ms were placed. Look how spongy this is. Yummy. The top is crispy. This is a Purichallah. Challah I make for Purim. The kids can't wait to get a slice.